Police probe 73-year-old elderly woman attacked by dog in Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An elderly woman is suspected to have been mauled by dogs in Falmouth, Trelawny yesterday morning, August 23rd. She has been identified as 73-year-old Kathleen Jump of Falmouth. Head of the Trelawny Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton, told reporters that the body was discovered around 6:30 a.m.
The Falmouth police responded to the reports of body seen on the roadway at Vanzalan. On arrival there, they saw the bloody body of Miss Kathleen Jump. She's 73 years old, lying on the roadway. An inspection of her body, it was observed that she had multiple wounds all over. So far, we are theorizing that Miss Jump was attacked and mauled by dogs. However, we are conducting investigation in the matter. The body has been removed. Was pronounced dead on arrival at the Falmouth General. It has been removed to a contracted funeral home awaiting post-mortem examination. Warning to residents: if you have dogs on your premises, it's important that you have the dogs kept in an enclosed area where they will not be let loose on the public thoroughfare so as to cause injury to other persons. To do so is a breach of a town and community law.
He is also warning dog owners to keep them safe and away from citizens. An angry relative of the deceased woman told reporters that it is clear that Miss Jump was attacked by dogs including pit bull and German shepherds. The dog owners was reportedly not at home at the time of the incident. Personnel from the Falmouth police station processed the crime scene and supervised the body removal to the Falmouth hospital. The police have since launched an investigation into her death. The Dogs Liability for Attack Act 2020 offers criminal penalties for owners of dogs who attack, injure, or kill persons. The maximum fine is $3 million. Dog attacks included by pit bulls are not uncommon in Jamaica. There have been many calls over the years for the banning of pit bulls in Jamaica, a call that has been resisted by Pamela Lawson, Managing Director of the Jamaica Society for Prevention and Cruelty to Animals. She said that the dog owners must be held responsible for actions of their dog. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.